Hi, this is my attempt to show the double eyelet stitch that I've used in my exclamation shawl. I've just got a small base of simple Tunisian crochet, and the double eyelet is done over 4 loops. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will make up the whole eyelet stitch in a minute. So I'm just going to do an edge stitch. Just 1 stitch. Okay, now what you do first is you put your hook through those first 2 loops, 1, 2, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then you yarn over twice, and then you put your hook through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through those 2 loops. Now I already had 2 loops on my stitch before I started the eyelet stitch, so there I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on my hook, and even though we've done 2 loops together and 2 loops together, we've still got 4 loops on our hook. So then I'll just finish the row of just quickly. Now the return pass, you work exactly as normal, exactly as you would do for any other return pass. You have to excuse my voice as well. I know I'm very croaky, but I wanted to do this quickly, seeing as you were having trouble with it. So there I've worked all those loops back off my hook. And there you have your eyelet, which is it's just a way of creating lace holes or whatever you want. So now I'll just do that first stitch like normal. I'm just doing normal simple Tunisian. I'm not doing a cross Tunisian like I do in the pattern. Anyway, on every subsequent row, it's slightly different. You put your hook through that first loop and then into the eyelet itself, and yarn over and pull through both of those. And then you do your 2 yarn overs. And then do you see in the top left corner of your eyelet, you've got almost a vertical loop there. You put your hook through there, and then through that vertical loop there. So you've got 2, yarn over and pull through. And then that's your second eyelet on the next row. You've still got your 4 loops, and then just finish the row. Oh, he doesn't want to go in. There we go. And you just work back as normal. And even with the crossed Tunisian stitches, the eyelets work the same. You make them the same. They'll look the same. So that's how you do that. And now when I'm finished, I should have 2, just like that. So I'll just show you one more time. Just do that first stitch. Now, there's your eyelet. You've got a vertical stitch on either side. You see them? So you put your hook through that first one of the eyelet and into the eyelet itself. You pull through, and then you do your 2 yarn overs, and then on the other side you've got that almost diagonal vertical line. in the top left corner and the other vertical line that makes up the edge of the eyelet. So you put your hook through that, the diagonal one, and through the edge one, and you yarn over and pull it back through both of those loops. And you finish your row. As you can see, I'm not using whirl. I thought it might be easier with a slightly thicker yarn, and I had some nice river washed, so it feels nice. I'm just going to work my return pass as normal. And there you see you're getting a nice, almost ladder of eyelets moving up your work. So I hope that was helpful. Sorry that it's so roughshod, and please excuse my voice, but I can't do anything about that at the minute. It's early in the morning and I've got a cold. But really, I hope that was helpful, and I really hope you enjoy making your shawl.